What is your mother name?
Radhika.
What is your hobbies?
Pandapura.
ಕೇಳು
What is your grandfather name?
Jairam Tata.
What is your grandmother name?
Indrani.
What is your sister name?
Avrani. January, February, March, April, May, July, August, September, October, November, December.
Okay, good dear.
Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. ಭಾನುವಾರ, ಸೋಮವಾರ, ಮಂಗಳವಾರ, ಬುಧವಾರ, ಗುರುವಾರ, ಶುಕ್ರವಾರ, ಮಂಗಳವಾರ, ಬುಧವಾರ. My garden, this is my garden, plant with care. Here at the sea, is planting there. A shine will shine, a rain will sprout, a sea will sprite. After when the baby up, pull, clap, clap. Go to the ceiling, go to the floor, go to the window, go to the door. Clap your hands together, 1, 2, 3. Put your hands on your knees. Pitta, pitta. Listen to the music. Listen. Pitta, pitta. On the pitta pen. Rapping. Is there any sound? Jikaraka, jig-jag, choo. Jikaraka, jig-jag, choo. Jikaraka, pitta pen. Rapping. Is there any sound? जल की रानी है, जीवन उसका पानी है. अतलो जल गागे, हाथ करे मरे जागे. मबी की रोटी गोल, पापे कैपेसी गोल. दाढ़े किशमे गोल, दाढ़े कपड़े कल गोल. हम भी गोल, तुम भी गोल, सारी दुनिया गोल पटार.
ಬಹಳ ಬಿಸಿ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು.
ದಿ ಲಯನ್.
It didn't like now sleeping in the jungle. Hamas kate running is her body. Angrily, and he was about to eat the mouse. His first the lion and let him free. After him, and let him go. Good morning, everybody. My name is Nishchita. I am studying in Eurosenior. What of the big surface, which means something is covered. Example, the wall is surfaced by paint. Thank you, have a nice day.